God is pointing you to something that you find in pretty much every spiritual tradition on earth, which is that if you enter into a practice, even for a few moments on a regular basis, of stopping, of looking, of listening, that process changes your life in more ways than you could ever realize. Now, how could something like that do that? Well, last week, before the service began, the device that enables us to stream this service out onto the internet stopped working. It actually got cluttered up with data. It got clogged. So I, in my brilliant technical expertise, fixed it. And what did I do? I unplugged it. And then I waited a few moments, prayed, and plugged it back in. And voila, it worked. And what works for a device works for you.